China's rising middle class has swiftly become one of the world's largest markets, and the impetus is on Australian businesses like Life Group to manoeuvre into this rapidly evolving market. According to the China Power Project, an initiative run by the Centre for Strategic and International Studies in Washington, China's middle class is the fastest growing in the world, from approximately 3% of the population, or 39 million in the year 2000, to nearly 707 million people, representing over half of the population. And while the wealth of this middle class is growing, the spending rate is growing as well, with China's e-commerce market valued at almost $2.1 trillion US, accounting for over 50% of the global share of spending in e-commerce. It's against this backdrop that Australian e-commerce and digital marketing provider Life Group, or RLG, continues to maintain a strong presence in China, providing comprehensive sales platforms for brands to enter and sell into new markets. The company creates brands and products that appeal specifically to that captive middle-class Chinese market, while also acting as a conduit for others looking to penetrate that market. RLG Managing Director Brian Carr is adamant there is significant appetite for not only Australian products in China, but investors as well.
In simple terms, it's significant. I mean, there's the official perspective from the Chinese government whereby they're officially stating that Australia is a priority location for Chinese businesses to expand, but I'm seeing it firsthand. In my dealings and discussions and meetings, I see huge interest from Chinese distributors, sales channels, and people looking for investment, and they see Australia as a highly regarded destination for those things.
As an example of the appetite for Australian brands in China, RLG recently entered into an agreement with Henan Rock Kangaroo Brand Management Co. for the production and supply of beer produced from Australian ingredients to service RLG's distribution network orders for a range of beers to be marketed and sold under the Kangaroo beer label. RLG has already secured first sales orders for its high-margin Kangaroo beer, with delivery and payment received in June 2024.
Well, the Kangaroo brand beer is being distributed now in the Henan province, and just to give some context with people, that's a province has a population of over 100 million people. It's the third most populated province in China. Its GDP is the equivalent of Thailand, so it's significant. So it's being distributed through retail stores, hotels, cafes, direct to consumers. So there's a huge market in the Henan province alone, and we're looking to expand into other provinces with the product as well.
A key aspect of RLG's China focus is its ability to foster networks, with its commercial partner Fujian Jushi Supply Chain Management not only appointed to market and sell RLG's products in China, but also as a key investor, having participated in a recent placement.
Yeah, so Fujian Jushi Supply Chain is a very well-established online and offline sales channel. So they've recognised the benefit of a partnership with RLG, whereby we can bring quality Australian products to them for distribution through their established channels, their established client base, and they see the advantages that RLG offers as both a supplier but also investment vehicle. So seeing the first-hand demand for the products that we can bring, they see us as an incredible investment opportunity, and it's evidenced by the fact that they've paid double what the current share price is to get an equity position in RLG.
As demand rises for brands such as Remedy Drinks Kombucha and Vora's health and wellbeing products, RLG is poised to make strong inroads into a Chinese middle class that continues to grow in wealth and size.